So, a lot of multifamily owners think that price is the main driver in selling, but I'm going to show you how the data is very clear about when you come to market during the year also has an effect. Okay, so over the last 10 years in the northern half of Florida, December is always the largest closing volume month. No surprise. Typically about $2.8 billion in market rate closings. In fact, as you can see, the whole fourth quarter pretty much dominates the whole year. A lot of buyers are racing to close before the end of the year for tax purposes and their own fund purposes, and that's when sellers can take advantage. But here's the part that actually matters to you as a seller. When a deal closes, it doesn't list and close in the same month. There's a life cycle, and that life cycle is usually 90 to 120 days. So you actually want to list optimally in the August to September timeframe, because by the time the list processed, marketing, going under contract, due diligence, closing, all that occurs, you're in a December timeframe. So you want to be on the market in the August, September timeframe. You don't want to come to market during the holidays of November and December because activity just kind of drops off a cliff. Now, if you miss this listing period colored in teal right here, it's not the end of the world. You just fall into a little bit of the colder months, literally, January, February, March, the beginning of the year. So if selling is anywhere on your radar for this cycle, then sort of the end of summer is kind of the beginning of that clock. I'm happy to map out a timeline for your property. Just reach out to me and we can put something together for you. See you guys in the next one.